Hello from Mayfair. I am Dr. Kedarnath Pandya. I am a board certified plastic surgeon. In my OPD, I see so many confused female patient not knowing whether to go for breast reduction surgery or breast lift surgery. So in this video, I am going to explain in brief about the basic difference between breast reduction and breast lift surgery. So if you are looking to reduce the size of your breast, then breast reduction surgery is the answer for you. In breast reduction, I resect and remove a substantial amount of breast tissue, leaving behind adequate breast tissue and fatty tissue so that it gives a normal looking breast and it gives a very beautiful breast mount. I also reduce the size of the nipple areola complex and I restore it in a more youthful place. The normal and youthful place of nipple areola complex is the highest position, highest point of the breast mount, and the nipple should point forwards and not downwards. So after breast reduction surgery, the size of the breast it is reduced considerably. It reduced to your desired, your wish size. Also the size of nipple areola complex is reduced. It is positioned beautifully on the highest point of breast mount and the nipple points forwards. Second scenario, if you are satisfied with the size of the breast but you feel that your breast have become saggy and become loose or flabby, or they have lost the volume, they have lost the upper pole fullness, then mastopexy or breast lift is the proper surgery for you. In breast lift, I do internal rearrangement of the breast tissue without resecting a single gram of breast tissue, so that it gives a good upper pole fullness, it corrects the sagging, it makes the breast perky and firm again. I also reduce the size of nipple areola complex if required and restores the position to a more normal looking one at the highest point of breast mount, and again the nipple is pointing forwards. Coming to the third scenario, if you feel that your breasts are sagging, they are loose, they have lost the volume, they have lost the upper pole fullness, and along with correction of all this you wish to have a larger size of breast, then mastopexy augmentation would be the correct surgery for you. In mastopexy augmentation, along with correction of the sagging, along with restoring upper pole fullness, we can do fat grafting or we can put a silicone implant. So when a silicone implant is put or when the fat grafting is done, it not only corrects the sagging but it also gives you a larger size of breast. So in a nutshell, if you are just looking to reduce the size of the breast and you want to correct the sagging, then breast reduction or reduction mammoplasty is the correct answer. If you are satisfied with the size of the breast and you just want to have a good amount of lift, you want to restore the upper pole fullness, then the mastopexy is the correct surgery for you. And if you wish to have a larger size of breast along with correction of the sagging and the flabbiness, then mastopexy augmentation is the correct surgery for you. I hope I have made the difference between these surgeries a bit clearer, and if you have any further questions or queries, do let me know in the comments, or you can give us a call and avail a free online consultation. Thank you very much and stay tuned.